Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Amory from Supreme Guru Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust your screen timeout on your Android phone. So if your screen is turning off too quickly, or the opposite, if it's not turning off quick enough, then I suggest that you stay tuned to this video. So what you're going to have to do on your Android phone is you're going to have to go into your settings. And then once you're in your settings, the majority of the time on any Android phone, the setting that we're looking for is always going to be under display. So let's tap on that. So as you can see in here, I still can't see the option for the screen timeout. So I'm going to tap on advanced. And now you can see I have got sleep after 2 minutes of inactivity. Now you can tap on this and you can adjust it to whatever you prefer. So you've got the likes of 15 seconds if you want to turn it off quite quickly, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute and 30 minutes. Now it may look slightly different on your Android phone, but the same rules should apply. If you do get stuck with anything, drop me down a comment in the section below and I will try my best to answer. So we will just go through those settings again. So tap into your main settings on your phone, look for an option that says display, tap on that. I'm going to tap on advanced. You might not have to tap on that, but here we go. I've got the sleep option, and then I'm going to change this to a minute because 2 minutes seems quite long if you ask me. But there you go. That's how easy it is to change your screen timeout on any Android device. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, then subscribe to my channel. Until next time guys, you have been watching and listening to Amory from Supreme Guru Tech. Peace.